Son of a bitch! What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Caught some snow last night, starting to dry out already, and the temperature is really not that bad. At the entrance of Pathfinder Regional Park, heading into Canon City today. I'm gonna meet up with a friend for a little bit, do some coffees, and maybe even like go for a little ride around town. We'll see what's going on, but just getting out. Like I said, the temperature's not bad, and this is probably like my last snow ride for the year, so I guess I'm enjoying it while I can, or making the best of the situation. So let's get on the road. Early, but I really had my heart set on riding the truck today. Train tracks. Seems pretty clear. It's really not that bad. We're gonna have to take a look at the Arkansas Riverwalk. I don't know if I'll be riding that today or not. I am gonna go down Mackenzie Drive and see if I can pick it up though. Got the lights blinking today. Son of a... coming down. I thought it was kind of over, but yeah, it is supposed to snow all day. But made it to the Arkansas Riverwalk. Okay guys, made it to the Mackenzie Avenue Trailhead, and this is also the American Discovery Trail, which I think is really cool. I always seem to cross paths with that trail. At some point in time I might have to try to ride that whole trail. I've been hearing about it for quite a long time, and I rode on it on the Flint Hills Nature Trail in Kansas last year. But anyway, it's really cool that it continues through here. The trail looks pretty open, and I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot and ride this on into Canon City. Any day of the year, I mean, that is just really nice. The river is definitely higher. That's Carhart Island right there. And the water coming through the middle of that wasn't there the entire time I've been here. I've ridden this trail back and forth, I don't know, probably 3 or 4 times by now. But yeah, snow is definitely a very wet, heavy snow. Definitely affected things. Wow. Here I'm faced with the decision, stick on the trail, or I could get on the road right here, and it's like a super fun bomb. But yeah, I really gotta get moving. Temperature is really perfect. Smells just like Alaska. Love it. Really nice trail system here, guys. The Arkansas Riverwalk, about 7.1 miles. I think they're always kind of looking to extend it, but I think the next extension heading towards Florence is going to cost like $10 million. The farmers are kind of worried about the trail cutting off access to the river for their cattle, but yeah, I don't know. So they're going to build like some kind of elevated bridge. I would say within the next 10 years that trail extension would be probably built, you know, linking Florence to Canon City. This is so nice. I grabbed it here out at McKenzie. I think this is the big hill and then the bomb. Yeah, so I'm like right here. What is it? Like this is like right at the end of the trail, but it really continues all the way to Centennial Park and beyond. Really nice trail system here. It's always fun to ride too. As far as like getting from Florence to Canon City, makes it super easy. They have community life vest. You can just put on a life vest, jump in the river, float down to the next trailhead. I think either leave it there or bring it back up. I would probably bring it back up. just about there. It's like Canon City got less than Florence did. I mean, it doesn't really seem like all that much snow.